Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that trips up a lot of car owners. How to choose the right tires for your vehicle. You probably wouldn't buy the very first car you lay eyes on, so why would you do that with tires? When it's time for a new set, doing a little research can save you a ton of money and headaches. I'm going to walk you through 3 simple steps to help you find the perfect tires for your car, your lifestyle, and your budget. If you're someone who wants to protect your vehicle with real facts, not just marketing hype, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button right now. It's actually shocking that over 95% of you watching aren't subscribed. Even though you could save hundreds, even thousands from the info in these videos, subscribing is totally free for you, but it helps me keep bringing you the kind of content that dealers really do and want you to see. Thanks for that. Alright, let's dive in. Step 1 is finding your tire size. Tires aren't just small, medium, and large. Your tire size is a number, usually between 13 and 22, and that number represents the diameter of your wheel in inches. So, where do you find this magic number? The easiest place is the information placard on the inside of your driver's side door jamb. It lists the required wheel diameter specifically for your vehicle. Another way is to just look at the tires you have now. On the sidewall, you'll see a block of numbers and letters. The very last number in that code is your tire size. Simple as that. Now for step 2. Comparing tire types to find what's best for you. This is where a lot of people get overwhelmed, but don't worry, it's easier than it seems. Let's break down the main types you'll see for most cars, trucks, and SUVs. First, let's talk about an older technology, tube-type tires. Just like the name says, these have a separate inner tube inside the tire that holds the air. They were the standard for years, but now we mostly use tubeless tires. Why the switch? Well, tubeless tires are lighter, which improves your car's handling. Plus, they're safer. If a tube-type tire gets a puncture, the air escapes rapidly, and the tire can come right off the rim, causing a loss of control. A tubeless tire loses air much more slowly. A huge advantage is that you can often repair a small puncture in a tubeless tire yourself with a simple kit, without even taking the wheel off the car. Next up, let's talk about profile. You've probably heard of high-profile and low-profile tires. This refers to the height of the tire's sidewall. High-profile tires have taller sidewalls and are mounted on smaller diameter wheels. Low-profile tires have short, stiff sidewalls and are mounted on larger wheels. For the same overall wheel diameter, high-profile tires generally give you a much more comfortable ride, they cost less, and they're more durable on rough roads. Low-profile tires, on the other hand, are the current trend. I know they look great and can improve handling in certain situations, but the trade-off is a harsher ride. They're also more susceptible to damage from potholes and are usually more expensive. Essentially, the advantage of one is the disadvantage of the other. You have to decide what matters more to you, comfort and cost or aggressive looks and sharp handling. So, we've covered finding your size and understanding the basic types. What's step 3? That's all about matching the tire to your specific driving needs and budget. Are you an all-season highway driver or do you need something for off-road adventures? Do you live where it snows or is it sunny year-round? It can be a confusing topic, but picking the right rubber for your ride is crucial for safety, comfort, and performance. So let us break down the main types of tires to help you make the best choice for your car and your driving style. First up, we have the jack-of-all-trades, the all-season tire. As the name suggests, these are designed to provide a smooth, quiet ride with reliable traction all year round, whether the road is wet or dry. The rubber compound is specially formulated to stay flexible in a wide range of temperatures, even as it gets close to freezing. This makes them a fantastic choice for drivers in moderate climates. They can handle light snow, so many people can use them year-round. However, if you live somewhere with long, harsh winters, you might want to use all seasons for 3 seasons, and then switch to dedicated winter tires when the heavy snow hits. Think of them as a great all-arounder, offering good fuel efficiency and a comfortable ride. Top brands to look for include Michelin, Goodyear, and Hankook. Next, let's talk about touring tires, also known as Grand Touring tires. You can think of these as a premium, upgraded version of the all-season tire. They're designed for drivers who want a supremely comfortable and quiet ride, combined with more responsive handling. If you do a lot of long-distance driving, these are a dream. They typically have a wider tread, which means more contact with the road, giving you superior traction in both wet and dry conditions and a longer tread life. They're a perfect match for sedans, minivans, and SUVs. While they handle everyday conditions beautifully, just like all seasons, they aren't designed for extreme winter weather. For top-tier touring tires, check out brands like Michelin, Continental, and Bridgestone. Now, for those of you with a need for speed, let's get into performance tires. These are all about enhancing your car's handling and grip on paved roads. They feature unique tread patterns and rubber compounds that can seriously improve your car cornering ability and even shorten your stopping distance. They're the go-to choice for sports cars, coupes, and other high-powered vehicles. The trade-off? You might sacrifice a bit of gas mileage, tread life, and you'll likely experience more road noise. But what they lack in longevity, they more than make up for in sheer grip and exhilarating performance. If you want the best of both worlds, some hybrid options like the Firestone Firehawk S combine performance features with all-season capabilities. Closely related to performance tires are summer tires. Don't let the name fool you. They're perfect for any warm season, not just summer. They are engineered to provide incredible grip and responsive handling in both wet and dry conditions. In fact, during spring showers or summer downpours, they often outperform all-season tires thanks to their specialized tread design. However, they are absolutely not meant for winter. The rubber compound hardens in cold temperatures, which drastically reduces traction. So as soon as the temperature starts to drop, you'll need to swap them out. These are ideal for performance vehicles in warmer climates or for drivers who have a separate set of winter tires. Finally, let's look at highway tires. If you drive a truck or SUV, listen up. These tires are built to handle the heavier loads of larger vehicles while providing a comfortable, car-like ride on pavement. They are designed for longevity with durable compounds that resist uneven wear. They also focus on a quiet ride and predictable handling. Most highway tires have sipes, which are small grooves that help channel water away for better traction on wet roads, and they often come with long mileage warranties. They're great for maximizing fuel economy on your daily commute or road trips. But while they can handle rain and even a little bit of light snow, their less aggressive tread means they aren't cut out for heavy snow, mud, or serious off-road adventures. So to wrap it up, if comfort and year-round convenience in a moderate climate are your priority, all-season tires are your best bet. If you want to upgrade that comfort to a premium, silent experience, look at touring tires. If you crave speed, grip, and sharp handling, performance or summer tires are for you. And for truck and SUV owners who stick to the pavement, highway tires offer a smooth, long-lasting ride. First things first, you need to know your tire size. This is super easy to find. Just open your driver's side door and look for a sticker on the door jamb. Alright, now for the fun part. Choosing the right type of tire for your driving style. Let's start with all-terrain tires, or AT tires. If you're the adventurous type who loves to explore off the beaten path, these might be for you. All-terrain tires have an aggressive tread pattern with large blocks and deep voids. This design gives you fantastic traction on gravel, dirt, rocks, and even some snow. They're built for versatility, handling both rugged trails and paved roads. However, keep in mind that they are a compromise. If you spend 99% of your time on smooth highways, these probably aren't your best bet. That rugged tread pattern can be a bit noisier on pavement compared to regular tires. But for a mix of on-road and off-road driving, they're a solid choice. Next up, let's talk about something on the opposite end of the spectrum. Sport tires. If you drive a high-performance car and crave that thrilling, connected-to-the-road feeling, listen up. Sport tires are all about maximizing performance. They feature a wider contact patch, which means more rubber touches the road, giving you incredible grip on dry surfaces. Their stiff sidewalls are engineered for superior handling and stability, especially when cornering at high speeds. You'll often see these paired with larger rims, giving the car a sleek, low-profile look. The trade-off? The softer rubber compound that provides all that amazing grip also wears out faster, and they are not designed for rough roads. Hitting a big pothole could potentially damage the tire or even your wheel. So if speed and sharp handling are your top priorities, sport tires will give your car that competitive edge. Now, let's shift gears to something essential for many of us: winter tires. When the temperature drops and the snow starts to fall, these tires are your best friend. Winter tires are made from a special rubber compound that stays soft and flexible even in freezing cold weather. This flexibility allows the tire to maintain a better grip on icy and snowy roads. They also have a deeper tread depth and unique patterns designed to channel away slush and water, preventing hydroplaning. You'll also notice thousands of tiny slits in the tread, called sipes. These act like little biting edges, giving you extra traction on ice. If you live in a region where temperatures consistently dip below freezing and you deal with snow and ice, investing in a set of winter tires is a must for your safety. Just remember to swap them out for your all-season or summer tires once the weather warms up, as the soft compound will wear very quickly on warm, dry pavement. Okay, so you've figured out your tire size and the type that best suits your needs. The final step is to determine your budget. Tire prices can vary widely, from budget-friendly options to premium, high-performance models. So, what's a reasonable amount to spend? Honestly, it depends on your car and your personal finances. But here's my best advice. Think of your tires as an investment in your safety. They are the single most important safety feature on your vehicle because they are the only part that actually touches the road. Your car's ability to accelerate, brake, and corner all depends on the quality of your tires. Skimping on tires can compromise your car's performance and, more importantly, your safety. So, while you don't have to buy the most expensive option, it's wise to invest in a quality set from a reputable brand that fits your driving needs. And that's it. Finding your tire size, choosing the right type, and setting a realistic budget. By following these 3 steps, you'll be well equipped to make a smart and safe choice for your next set of tires. I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Drive safe.